Hello, 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 everybody. We got a fun one for you. It is called the Solid Shell Stitch. It's beautiful. It works up gorgeous. You can work on it with color changing yarn. I just do not recommend the fast color changing yarn. It actually distorts the look of the stitch, but you can definitely use color changing yarn, just not fast is my recommendation. And let's dive into it. It's beautiful. Look at that. And there's the back. Beautiful. All right, guys, you ready to have a little fun with this? Let's dive into it. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Right, let's dive into this beautiful solid shell pattern. I am just using some spare acrylic yarn I have. I do not recommend fast changing color yarn. I tried it in fast changing color yarn and it did not look so pretty. But if you have slow changing color yarn, it works up fabulous. I do recommend that you use the size recommended hook on your yarn. And let's get started. I am using a 5mm. All right, so it's a 2-row repeat. This is actually another good stash buster if you guys are interested. So the chain multiples are multiples of 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 until you got the length that you want. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you keep going for as long as you need. I'm going to do one more set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So keep going for the length that you want. When you have the length that you want, you need to add 2. 1 and 2. That's it. So now this first row is what's called a setup row. This is not a repeat row. So remember, setup row. Second chain from the hook, put in a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, go into the third, and put in 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 and put in a single crochet. Skip 2, 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, single crochet. And you're going to just keep repeating this pattern to the end. Skip 2 and 5 double crochet. And I will meet you at the end. Okay, when you're ending, you skip 2 and you put in a single crochet. Now when you put in your single crochet, instead of going through that 1 chain, go through 2 other stitches. That way it won't pull and get loose on you. So 2 chains. Do your single crochet. All right, now we turn. Now this is row 1 of the 2-row repeat. So we did our setup, that's done. So this is row 1 of the 2-row repeat, okay? So now what we do, chain 2, 1 and 2. in that first chain of the chain 2, put your hook in there and draw up yarn. And then go into your very first stitch here and draw up yarn. And then proceed to do a double crochet, yarn over, go through 2, and go through 2. You made a double crochet. That way, instead of that, replaces the chain 3. Chain 3s are not so pretty. And then in that same stitch, you do 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. And see, now you got 3 full double crochets. It's a huge game changer, guys. So now you're going to skip 2 stitches in that third, put in a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches in that third stitch, put in 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 stitches, put in a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, put in 5 double crochets. 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 stitches, put in a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, put in 5 double crochets. And you just keep repeating this until the end. Skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet. I'm going to just keep going because we're almost at the end. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, you put in your half of shell, which is 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So that is how row 1 of the 2-row repeat goes. So for row 2 of the 2-row repeat, you're going to chain 1, you're going to put a single crochet in that first stitch, you're going to skip 2, in that third stitch put in 5 double crochets. It's basically just reversed. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, put in a single crochet. Skip 2, put in 5 double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet. And 5. You skip 2 and single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, at the end you skip 2 and you put in a single crochet. So that is row 2 of the 2-row repeat. Let me do one more round with you to make sure you guys are good. So start row 1 of the 2-row repeat. Chain 2. Put your hook in the first chain of the chain 2 and draw up yarn. Then you put your hook in that first stitch, that single crochet at the end, put your hook in right in there and draw up yarn. You have 3 loops, yarn over, go through 2 and 2. That is 1 double crochet. In that same stitch, put in 2 more double crochets. You skip 2, put in a single crochet. Skip 2, 5 double crochets. And 5. And then again you skip 2 and a single crochet. So I will meet you at the end. Okay, so we're coming to the end. Skip 2, do your single crochet, skip 2 and do your 3 double crochets in that last stitch. And 3. All right, for row 2, we start with a chain 1, single crochet in that first stitch, skip 2, and you put in your 5 double crochets. And 5, skip 2, single crochet, skip 2 and 5, and keep repeating that, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, to end this row, you just skip 2 and you single crochet. So you just keep repeating those 2 rows and always end on the second row. That makes it look more complete and the edging straighter. But that is exactly how you do this. I'm going to do a few more rows and then I'll show you what it looks like a few more rows and then I'll be back. Okay, here it is. Look how beautiful it is. Works up so pretty. The solid shell stitch is a really fun stitch to do. Gorgeous. And it also has a little bit of give. Not a lot, but it works out gorgeous. Well, I'm Ronnie with Whip and Chain. Look at that. And here at Whip and Chain, it's always a work in progress. So until next time, guys, enjoy your day, enjoy crocheting, and please share, like, and subscribe to our videos. It helps us so much. Have a great day, guys.